Hey guys, so today I'm going to be speaking. You guys have been asking me to do like chatty MSP videos instead of like using, my old stickies to write down like hello, welcome, whatever. Um, I am going to be talking because it's really quiet and I want to talk and it will be easier. Today I'm going to be doing a recreation video. I did one of these like a month ago. I recreated this photo right here. And then I recreated this photo and you guys kind of liked them. I don't really know. And I thought I'd film another one because I absolutely love it. I thought it was such a fun video to film, and I'm going to be like making this like a recreating series type thing. So this is going to be like episode 3 or yeah, third video in the series. And of course, No Tears Left to Cry is only like the best song right now. It is actually my favorite song. So I'm going to be recreating this photo from No Tears Left to Cry. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the hair, first of all, I did before I started this video. I looked into my inventory. I think that's what it's called. And or wardrobe, whatever. I thought I had that hair. I know I have it in black, but I thought I had it in blonde, and now it's really bugging me because I know I have it. But I've literally gone all the way to the back, and I literally cannot find that hair any flipping where, and it's really annoying me because I don't really want to have to buy one because like I barely ever use it anyway as it is. I wish MSP would tell you once you bought that hair in that colour, like it would be so helpful. You know, when you go to the shop and you're like, oh, I don't have that hair, you click on the colour that you want, you're like, oh, and it tells you like you actually do have that hair, because then it'll just be so much easier. And then I know that I have got it, I just have to look harder, but I might even just be blind, I might have literally just gone past it, but I don't think I have. Anyway, I'm just rambling now, I'm just gonna literally just have to buy another one, so yeah, that's fun. Oh. Hi, filming. I feel like I don't know why, but I just love say. Oh my god, I can't even spell it. Filming. Yeah, I don't even know why I say it to be honest, but whatever, whatever, whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna have to go and find that hair. So her hair, I know what hair. It's just like that black hair I showed you, and I really like it. So yeah, I just never wear it. This is the hair I was on about. Honestly, I think it's like the best thing. Oh my god, look at my hair right now. I think it's like the best thing that you could, that I think is the closest thing, because there are other ponytails, but personally I like the style of this. And does it do look like she's wearing any top? Well, she's got like a strap, so I guess I'll just wear like a thin vest top or whatever. I don't really know. I reckon it's just like not wear anything. Well, I would, but like I wouldn't. It, you know what I mean. So she doesn't have any nose ring on, of course, but she has no eye stuff on, which I don't like. So that's good. She's pretty much how is wait what color what color are her lips? Oh my god, I actually can't speak. I almost choked on my own saliva. Her lips are pretty much the same color, so I'm gonna leave them as that. And does she wear any earrings? No, the earrings are a no. I found this top, and I've got like a bunch of tops like this. So like some of them are pink, some of them are red, some of them well grey. I haven't got any white ones though, which is really annoying. But grey I feel like is the closest colour to white, so it kind of go, and it kind of looks grey in a way anyway. So yeah, and I just added shorts on these shoes because the outfit didn't really go. But yeah, so this is what I'm currently like. So now I'm actually gonna, so like now my movie star is pretty much all set, all dressed, we're ready to go. I just need to actually create the art book and well, edit and make the actual photo now. So I'm just going to go and create a new art book, and I'm going to create that green screen thing. In case you guys are wondering, I don't know, you probably already know this. I think it was in my how I edit my thumbnails video, which actually it was like one of my first videos. That was like almost a year ago now. I basically just create a green screen. This is how I create a green screen, or put my movie star onto my thumbnails. This is pretty much what I do anyway. So yeah, well, not all. This is not all I do, but this is part of what I do. And I can't get her on there. There we go. So I is there an animation I've already got that like has got her at the side, like facing sideways? Hey ha, haha, we found one. I wish her mouth was open, but I don't think I have one with her mouth open. Oh, wait, is that? And her mouth isn't open. It kind of looks similar. So I'm just gonna do the one I did have. Wait, was that it? No, I don't even know where I got the other one from now, you guys. I'm just, oh, here it is. So yes. Okay. No, wait, her hands are weird. Why are they like up? What the hell are you doing? Oh, it's the exact same pretty much. Okay, so now I think that's pretty similar. I mean, it is similar. It's similar in an MSP way. Like she has got a little piece of hair right here, and I mean it's not the exact same place, but she's got a bit of hair here. I mean, as I said, it's not going to be exact, but I mean it's pretty good for like an MSP version. So we need to just screenshot this. Oh, I'm gonna go off what's up there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to Lunapic slash transparent. I'm gonna try and leave a link to this website in the description box below. I'm not sponsored. I just use this every single time I wanna like remove a background, whatever. And I use it for other things, but mostly this. And if I don't remember to leave it in the description, tell me in the comments saying, hey, you haven't put it in the description, like, or Bella, put it in the description, because I will put it in the description. I just probably will forget. But yeah, I'll link every website I use, other than MSP probably. Or maybe I'll link MSP, I don't know, but I don't even know I don't even know where I am. I don't even know where I am. Okay. Here we go. So we're going to open this up. I think this is pretty good. Obviously, I'm going to have to crop a bit of arm bit off it. Okay. So we need to make it really transparent. Get rid of the green. So yeah, comment down below more like photos that you want me to recreate. Maybe Arianna Grande. Maybe another celebrity. I don't know. So we're just going to apply it anyway. And we're just going to save image. And then we're going to go on to another website. This website's called Pixel Editor. I'll link it down below. This is how I get like my MSP avatar character on my thumbnails have like that white outline and the shadow. And I'm gonna wait, I'm not even gonna be using this. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm editing my MSP character for a thumbnail. No, I actually don't need to use this. If you want to have a white outline on your character, this is the website I use. I might as well just link it down below anyways. But if you want me to like an updated how I edit my thumbnails video, then comment down below. But I'm actually not going to be using this. I have no idea why I even went on this website. Okay, so what is really annoying is like it's like dark and then it goes light, so it's not like one flat color, which is going to be really annoying to recreate the background. So I'm literally just going to add like a blue. This has kind of got some texturing, so that's kind of cool. So I think I might choose that's like a combination of all three of the colors. So I'm just going to quickly save that, and then I'm just going to go on to pick monkey, and it's a square, isn't it? So I'm literally just gonna create a square. But no, I don't even know. What am I doing? YouTube. It doesn't really matter as long as there's a square, for God's sake. A bloody square. We need a bloody square. That'll do. That's a square. We're gonna be just yeah. I don't even know. Okay. So I'm now just gonna add the background. Have I got? I swear I've got a rainbow saved onto my computer. Just got the background onto this, and also I will link PicMonkey down below. But I'm just gonna just make this so it covers the background, and I'm just gonna click this button down here, and basically what it does is it like compresses it, so like this will now be the background. So this image, so right now you can move it, like you can basically move it, yeah, but I don't really want to move it anymore, so I'm literally just gonna press this button right here, which means you can't like move this anymore, like it doesn't move, it's just like compressed, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much what I just did. Oh wow, she is pixelated. Oh wait, that's because it's an Instagram profile picture and it needs to be small because I don't know, it just does. Okay, so sorry if it's a bit small, but it has to be because it's an Instagram photo and it was originally this size. It has to be this size because it's meant to be an Instagram photo. And so if you make any bigger, the photo becomes pixelated and it's really annoying. So sorry if it's a bit square, but a bit small. I could just zoom you guys in actually, couldn't I? I could just zoom you in. So I'm just going to zoom you in. Okay, that's better. Anyway, carrying on, I'm just going to make her, I don't even know how big is she. She pretty much fills up, sort of. I wish I'd made this background a bit darker with blue. She's very glowy. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much the whole style. Oh, you can't even see her that well. I'm so sorry. I need to find a rainbow, don't I? I need to find a rainbow. Rainbow PNG. I think this rainbow could possibly work. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, yeah, I think it could possibly work. Okay, so I think this could actually work, this rainbow. It doesn't really go on her hair, it's mostly just on her face. I think the rainbow needs to be like more vibrant, actually. I think that rainbow is a lot better. Kind of just goes on. Does it go? Yeah, literally just kind of. Oh wow, that's not what I was meant to be doing. Just kind of goes round onto her face. It's annoying. It'd be so annoying. This rainbow is. That just looks weird. I'm sorry, this looks weird. The best I'm gonna be able to get it to. It looks. Oh my god, I thought it'd be so much easier, you guys. It actually doesn't look that similar. It doesn't look that similar, but I mean, it's. I tried it. It doesn't have to be exact. It's like inspired almost. See now, it really annoys me how this background is just one color. So I think I can actually make the background darker without making the entire photo darker. I just don't remember what. It's better, but I wish it was like thicker. I'll just apply it for now. Like that's darker, but I don't want it to be like that vibrant. It's like so vibrant. Add a little bit of darkness to it. It definitely is a lot better than it was before, actually. I just wish it was faded a little bit because it's all dark edges. Oh wow. Kind of changed it and it looks kind of similar. I think it's not even a bit too dark, but I mean it looks okay. Like it looks pretty similar. So yeah, that is pretty much the edit that I did. It wasn't the best. It's definitely, I don't know if it's the best one I've ever done, but I mean I quite like it. Like it's not the worst one I've ever done. But comment down below if you want me to do any more of these. That was not a cool screenshot, but comment down below any more recreations that you'd like me to do. So like any other famous people like Taylor Swift, or they can be some boys like Justin Bieber. I don't know. You guys just comment down below. More Arianna Grande. I don't know. Yeah, let's see if she's actually replied. She wanna fly. Great. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel if you are new because we're so close to 40. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye, Bellas.